The seventh action of the Parkinson's plan by Dr. Ray Dorsey and Dr. Michael Okun is something that touches all of us. And even though you may not be a farmer, but it is farming. And farming is actually the most common job worldwide. And unfortunately, exposure to certain pesticides is linked to higher risk of Parkinson's disease. But there are clear steps that farmers can take to protect themselves and their communities. And you may be thinking, well, I'm not a farmer, but the fact that more people are starting to do small farming, I think this applies to all of us in that way, but also to highlight the importance of the organic regenerative farming. Because some of the things that they can do, of course, is reducing the amount of and frequency of pesticide use. That's a huge piece for the farmers watching, for those people who are looking to do some small farming, and to also to look at where you're getting your food farmed. That would be one of those things. Choosing lower risk alternatives whenever possible, wearing protective equipment like gloves, masks, and goggles if you are actually out farming or working in the farm. And beyond these safety measures, there's an even more inspiring path forward. That's the organic and regenerative farming future. Now, Dr. Versal and I did a podcast episode for the Truth or Trend episode podcast with Jack Dubois, and his family has been practicing organic and regenerative agriculture for a very long time. And in this, he really does better than I can explain to people how this micro farming movement and how important it is, and how it's actually quite possible that you can reduce all of the use of these pesticides and still have a phenomenal farm without having to do all of that. Jack did a great job answering these questions. I just want to make this quick video to help just highlight those who are in farming or thinking about farming, or those who are eating food from a farm, to know that it is becoming more and more important that we understand about organic regenerative farming and how that can be a massive piece in this. And that is number 7 on their list of actions to take. Number 8 coming soon.